That's a great shot. Gives us a chance to make a birdie. On this hole, anything on the green is good, but I especially like that one because it gives me a good opportunity to make the bird. Really happy with that shot. When you hit it that close on Bermuda greens, all putts are straight. I hope you've enjoyed the Broken Sound Club course. We have a real treat in store for you when we head over to the old course, which has hosted the Allianz Championship on the Senior Tour.
Well, first of all, welcome to Boca Raton. Broken Sound Club is located in the heart of Boca Raton. We're the only gated country club golfing community that's native to our beautiful Boca. I like to classify it as my Boca. Boca Raton is a city that is on the beautiful Atlantic. It's got world-class beaches, world-class golfing. We have here at this beautiful Boca Raton and Broken Sound Club, we hold a championship Allianz Seniors Tour event every year. We're a community of 1,600 homes. The type of homes that we have here range from $300,000 to $400,000 through to $3.5–4 million. The memberships here range of different categories of membership, from a social membership of full access to all the facilities here, through to a golfing membership, access to one golf course, and then we've got membership that accesses to both golf courses. This is the first place to go for hospitality. The mantra for our employees is that there's no such thing as bad hospitality, but there is such thing as bad service. There's levels of service. There is no level of hospitality. Hospitality in itself is what you would expect when you arrive into your own home. This is the first place that they want to come down when they've got two homes. And most of our members are snowbirds, which means they've got two homes. One home here and one home in New York, Philadelphia, Chicago. We've got residents and members from the entire United States of America. We've got residents from Canada, South America, Europe. We've got them from all of 26 countries are represented here. Our membership are very diverse, made of young members, middle-aged members, older senior members, and we cater to all classifications of membership. The people who enjoy Broken Sound have access to spa, fitness. The 27 tennis courts are open to the entire membership who are in the tennis category. And that includes probably about 1,000 members. South Florida is a very special place. It is the home of the finest dining in the world. It is the home of world-class beaches, world-class tennis, and world-class golf. To be part of that, Broken Sound is a world-class facility offering those amenities to people from all over the world. Allianz Champions Tour came to us about 6 years ago to see if we would be interested in holding a Champions Tour event, PGA Champions Tour event. Broken Sound is a jewel in the crown of the city of Boca Raton. The old course here is that jewel, and because it's such a jewel, the PGA Champions Tour came down, took a look at this tract of land and said, wow, what a very interesting tract of land to be able to offer a Seniors Tour event here, to be able to televise this worldwide, to attract close to 100,000 spectators on the week. Last year we were awarded the second club in the United States, the first in Florida, the Golf Environmental Award. It's an award out of St Andrews Links Trust in Scotland. So taking a leadership role in that has certainly given Broken Sound a major advantage in the world of the environment. Well, we just left the old course of Broken Sound, and I want to give you an opportunity to see what the residents and the people who work in Boca Raton get used to on a daily basis. And we're all got a tremendous amount of pride about Boca Raton. And if you talk to any resident or any person who works in Boca, they'll say it's my Boca. And my Boca is made up of these wonderful little enclaves of shopping and world-class shopping and world-class restaurants. And this is one of those areas that is right in the centre of Boca Raton, and it's called Meisner Park. So when you're thinking about coming to Florida, and when you're thinking about Boca Raton, Meisner Park, the city centre of Boca Raton, is certainly a place to come and visit. It's a place to again, if you not at the club and you're not dining at the world-class dining at the club and you want to get outside the compound, want to go for a stroll within the city of Boca, this is it.
Well, our members are looking for, 1, service, 2, they really like to be catered to, make sure that they're well taken care of, and they've got a lot of health concerns what they want us to help address them. Well, sometimes we have members come in who have just general needs. Let's say they want to do some weight loss, maybe some strength training. We have personal trainers on staff that can help them out with that. We can also send them to a nutritionist in-house. They can help work on their nutritional needs. We can combine the two and give them a good program that'll help them achieve the goals that they're looking for. They can go to a physical therapist. They can get the proper need that they need there. They may need some massage therapy along with their physical therapy, and then see the dietitian at the same time. So we can offer many services to help them out. Inside the fitness center, we have a beautiful cardio area. Of course, the cardio area has treadmills, ellipticals, recumbent bikes, upright bikes, rowing machines. We also have a free weight area. Free weight area is very popular with our members. We also have a full line of the top of the line strength equipment. So many choices for them to get their exercise needs in. We have something very unique here. We have a spa on site. We can offer massage services. We can offer facial services. We can do nails. They have a wet area, relaxation areas. They can get a hot tub, a steam, a sauna, showers, locker room facility. It's a very nice place to be. Well, we have an extremely active aerobics program. I'd be doing an injustice if I didn't mention it. We have 2 aerobics rooms. We offer spin classes, yoga classes, Tai Chi classes, Pilates, Latin dance classes, ballroom dance classes. Many, many classes we offer all week long to all of our members.